Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Pinterest for SEO traffic. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. First, create a Pinterest business account if you don't have one. This provides you with access to analytics and other tools. Next, optimize your Pinterest profile. Choose a clear profile picture that represents your brand. Write a compelling bio that includes relevant keywords. Add a link to your website in the profile. Now, move on to creating boards. Select categories that align with your niche. Use keyword-rich titles for these boards to improve discoverability. Next, start pinning high-quality images. Ensure each pin is visually appealing and relevant to your content. Upload images that are vertically oriented for better performance. Add compelling, keyword-rich descriptions to each pin. Utilize hashtags to increase visibility in searches. Now it's time to pin consistently. Create a content calendar to help plan your pins. Consider using scheduling tools to maintain a steady flow of content. Aim to post at optimal times when your target audience is most active. Monitor your Pinterest analytics regularly. Check which pins and boards are driving the most traffic. This will help you refine your strategy over time. Engage with the Pinterest community. Follow other users and boards related to your niche. Repin quality content to your boards, adding your own commentary. Collaborate with other pinners if possible. Join group boards that are relevant to your industry. Lastly, link every pin back to your blog or website. This ensures that any traffic generated leads directly to your content. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.